Hello there, Hazy Christian here. Welcome once again to the channel. Today we are talking about this African grinding stone, yes, which is not just a kitchen tool, but something that holds part of our history and culture. I can confidently say this is one of the kitchen tools, no matter how technology evolves, is still going to be used in our kitchens, especially in Africa. So today I'm going to give you some fun facts about this grinding stone. First of all, it is believed to possess healing properties because herbs prepared on this grinding stone tend to retain their medicinal potency better. I don't know of that, that's what I heard. Another one is a flavor enhancer. It is also believed that when you grind your ingredients for preparing any meal on this grinding stone, the flavor that comes out is out of this world. I can attest to that. Also, it is a multitasking tool because you can use it in the kitchen or outside the kitchen. You can use it for cooking purposes, for medicinal purposes, for beauty purposes. And for the beauty purposes, I mean, back in the day when you wanted to whiten your teeth, you would grind charcoal, get a finger of plantain, cut the top and mash it, and then you add it to the grounded charcoal and use in whitening your teeth. So where else would you do all these things other than using a grinding stone? And the last thing is it is potent, like it can last long and it can be passed on from generation to generation because it is made from tough materials like granite. So yes, here are some few fun facts about this grinding stone. I still use it in my kitchen. Yeah, that's how archaic I am. I still use it in my kitchen. I like how smooth like some of the ingredients turn out, and also it's your best option when there's light out. When was the last time you used a grinding stone? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.